Hello and namaste. Welcome to YogaEndless by Anjali Pandey. And in today's practice, we'll be going through some breathing techniques, which is known as the pranayam practice. And I'll guide you through this journey. All you have to do is follow me along with my voice. Let's get started in a comfortable seat. Relax shoulders, drawing attention to how we're breathing naturally, just the natural pace of the breath. We'll start with Kapalbhati practice, which is the skull shining breath. In this, you're going to aggressively exhale from your belly. The exhalation happens from the nostril, imagining someone's punching in the belly, and the inhalation will happen automatically. The inhalation is passive. We'll do 20 strokes, slow pace. Switch your palms facing upwards in any comfortable posture, in any comfortable mudra. Eyes closed and begin. Second round, inhale and begin. Inhale completely. Exhale completely. Inhale and hold your breath. And slowly release the breath. Breathe naturally. From here, we're going to go for Chandra Bhedana, which is the cooling pranayam. Chandra means moon, Bhedana means piercing. In this practice, we're going to breathe only from the left nostril, inhaling from the left and exhaling also from the left. We don't switch the nostrils, just breathing from the single nostril. You can use your right thumb to block your right nostril and inhale from the left, exhale from the left. Continue. Continue following the natural pace of your breath. Gently release the hands. Keep your eyes closed and follow the natural paced breathing. I'm going to count the next breathing for you. 4 counts to inhale and 6 counts to exhale. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe naturally. Gently rub your palms together, create good nice heat between the palms, and pass it on to your eye socket. Relax your shoulders and chest. Slowly take your time to open your eyes and relax. I hope this practice makes you feel calm and nice right now, and I thank you for joining me in this practice. Have a good day. Namaste.